Nigeria go play the first one against Sierra Leone right there for inside Abuja. You get anything we want to talk? Put the players where we say they release their names. Remember, say some of these players been pulled out for the last 2 friendlies where we say we play for inside the United States of America. But then and now some of them don't come back for inside this fold. They don't drop some home-based players. Only 2 now make them for inside this team. So waiting you think, waiting you feel you dey okay with this list, make you let us know, because if we not talk our own as I always talk nobody go follow us talk you no go hear am for another place say Oyibo they discuss the Super Eagles of it can only be us. We discuss them and we find solution to how we fit take move forward. 0700 951 951 951. Hello, who dey there?
Nah, Ike from Ayebo.
Oh, Ike, no. Welcome.
Tessie Joe.
Huh?
Get married in Nigeria or draw.
Eh?
Sierra Leone get married in Nigeria.
Sierra Leone go beat Nigeria.
I dey tell you true.
You don't watch the match before they go play on Thursday.
They will win us because coach here went on Naga.
Football Republic.